Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2017 Ram 3500 SLT Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine and a 6-speed manual transmission. This guy's in Delmonico red. It looks great. You do have the chrome bug deflector up front with your chrome grille and the chrome bumper as well. Looks great. You do have halogen quad headlights right there, and you do have your fog lights and your tow hooks right there. Coming around the side here, we do have 18-inch rims with our BF Goodrich tires. They look great. Lots of tread left on them as well. You got your running boards along the bottom and your heated exterior mirrors right here with the turning signals. They are our tow mirrors, so all we gotta do is lift them up like that. Then they do, you can see even more back there. Coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, we do have this massive 8-foot box. Looks fantastic. You get the 4x4 and the SLT badging, as well as the chrome bumper with your parking sensors down there. Got your backup camera right there. Open it up. Tons of room back here to haul whatever you might need to. Does have the box liner on it as well, so nothing will be getting scratched up. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock. You got your panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. This one does bring in your mirrors, and you got some chrome accenting on the handle. Handle here, storage here, and some more down here with a water bottle holder. Looks great in here. Very soft seats as well. The cloth is very nice and comfortable. You do have the controls over the seats right here, so you're backward and forward, as well as the tilt and the lumbar support there. Up here you do have the controls over your lights, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your fog lights if you press them in, and your in-cabin light control here. And then up here we do have the controls over the windshield wipers, turning signals, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge, engine temperature, we got our oil life, and we also have our transmission temperature there. Now we can change that around in the middle from our speedometer. It does say the range, the temperature outside, what channel we're on, and how many kilometers we have, 39,000, not too bad at all. We can change that around to our vehicle info. We also have our fuel economy, trip A, trip B, trailer tow, audio, stored messages, and your screen setup. Then you are back to your speedometer. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition, your call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you do have a volume up and down button, as well as the source changer, and on the other side there's a channel changer. Right in the center here we do have our 8.4-inch touchscreen display with Uconnect, so you have your AM, your FM, and your Sirius XM, as well as your media tab if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, or Bluetooth. You have your controls over your heated seats, as well as your heated steering wheel, mirror dimmer, backup camera, and your settings. You got your Uconnect apps right there. You also have your climate control. It is a dual climate system for you and your passengers, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You can turn the menu off, or you have the phone options right there. Right over here we do also have the controls over the 2-wheel, the 4-wheel lock, and the 4-wheel low. Looks great. As well, if you are in reverse, you do have that ever useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe right there. Now down here we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, browser there. AC, circulation, heat up and down. You have the power off auto, as well as the front rear defrost. Trailer brake here, traction control, heated seats, heated steering wheel, and the passenger, as well as you have your exhaust brake and your park sensors on and off. You have some cup holders here and all sorts of stuff. You got your gear shift right there. And then we do have our armrest that doubles as a storage container. Got some room in there with some coin holders here. And right over here we do have a USB and an aux cord plug-in as well. You can fold that up, lift this up, and you do have another seat under there. It does seat 6 people altogether as well. There's a little switch right here. Lift that up and you got a little secret compartment under there. Then up here we do have the top layer glove box and the bottom layer right there. And then up top we do have a universal garage door opener, as well as the little control over the window in the back. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you do have that same chrome accenting. You have the controls over your windows, handle here, storage, and some more down here. Looks great back here. Same material as the front, very comfortable. You can fold this down if you didn't need 3 people back here, and you got an armrest with some cup holders. As well, you can fold this up, and you do have some storage just underneath there. You can do the same with the other side. As well, you can fold this down and then do this, and then you have a flat surface to put stuff on top of. You also have some cup holders right there. And then you do also have some storage just underneath there. And there's our 6.7 liter i6 Cummins turbo diesel engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2017 Ram 3500 SLT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.